Understanding affiliate marketing, your path to passive income. Imagine earning money while you sleep. Sounds like a dream, right? That's the power of passive income, and affiliate marketing is your ticket to making it a reality. But what exactly is affiliate marketing? In simple terms, it's like being a friendly recommender. You share products or services you love with your audience through your blog or website. When someone makes a purchase through your unique referral link, you earn a commission. The best part? You don't have to create your products, handle customer service, or worry about inventory. You're simply connecting people with solutions they're looking for and getting rewarded for it. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. You earn passive income, your audience discovers valuable products, and the companies you partner with gain more customers. Ready to embark on your affiliate marketing journey? Let's dive in. Launching your blog, a step-by-step guide for beginners. A blog is your platform to connect with your audience, share your passions, and promote your affiliate products. Don't worry if you're not tech-savvy, setting up a blog is easier than you think. First, choose a blogging platform. WordPress is a popular and user-friendly option. Next, select a domain name that reflects your niche or brand. Keep it short, memorable, and easy to spell. Once you have your domain name, choose a reliable web hosting provider. This ensures your blog is accessible to visitors 24/7. With your hosting in place, install WordPress and select a theme that aligns with your brand aesthetic. Now comes the fun part. Customizing your blog. Add your logo, choose colors and fonts, and create essential pages like About Me and Contact. Congratulations, you're now a proud blog owner. Discovering lucrative affiliate programs, finding the perfect fit. With your blog up and running, it's time to explore the world of affiliate programs. But where do you find these programs? One option is to join affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or CJ Affiliate. These networks act as intermediaries, connecting you with a wide range of merchants and products. Another approach is to reach out directly to companies in your niche that offer affiliate programs. When selecting affiliate programs, prioritize products or services that align with your niche, resonate with your audience, and offer competitive commissions. Remember, authenticity is key. Promote products you genuinely believe in and would recommend to a friend. Crafting captivating content, engaging readers, and driving conversions. Content is king in the world of affiliate marketing. To succeed, you need to create valuable, engaging content that resonates with your audience. But how do you create content that converts? First, understand your target audience. What are their pain points? What solutions are they seeking? Once you know your audience, focus on creating high-quality content that provides value. This could include informative blog posts, engaging videos, or helpful tutorials. When incorporating affiliate links, ensure they flow naturally within your content. Don't be afraid to share your personal experiences and recommendations. People connect with authenticity. Inspiring success stories, real people, real results. Need a dose of inspiration? Michelle, a stay-at-home mom, turned her passion for healthy living into a thriving affiliate marketing business. By sharing her knowledge through her blog and recommending her favorite wellness products, she achieved financial freedom while working from home. John, a travel enthusiast, monetized his blog by partnering with travel companies and promoting destinations he loved. Through captivating storytelling and stunning photography, he built a loyal following and now earns a substantial income from affiliate marketing. These success stories prove that affiliate marketing is achievable for anyone with dedication, a willingness to learn, and a passion for sharing. Embracing the affiliate marketing journey, your roadmap to freedom. Building a successful affiliate marketing business takes time, effort, and consistency. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Stay focused on your goals, continuously learn and adapt, and celebrate your progress along the way. Engage with your audience, build relationships, and provide exceptional value. Remember, affiliate marketing is about more than just making money. It's about connecting with people and helping them find solutions. Embrace the journey, stay true to yourself, and watch as your passive income streams grow. Your passive income adventure awaits, taking the first step. The world of affiliate marketing offers endless possibilities. It's a chance to turn your passions into profits, achieve financial freedom, and design a life you love. Are you ready to embark on your passive income adventure? Start by identifying your niche, launching your blog, and finding affiliate programs that align with your interests. Create valuable content, engage with your audience, and watch as your efforts transform into passive income streams. The journey awaits. Take that first step today, and unlock a world of possibilities with affiliate marketing.